Good day, everyone. Today I will be showing to you the solution of the part 2 of the examination in mathematics in modern world. And this is a cryptorhythm problem, and I'll be showing to you the solution. So we have here the Donald plus Gerald is equals to Robert. And we are given that D is equals to 5. And at that, we can substitute the D's with 5. So let's put 5 on the D's. So since 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, therefore here we will be putting a 0 and a carry 1 here. So we can conclude that T is equals to 0. And next, we need to do a analogy here that D plus G is equals to R. Therefore, 5 plus something is equals to R. And we can say that R is greater than G. So, since D is equals to 5, therefore, if we assume that G is equals to 1, that is 6, and we assume here that there is a carry 1 here, that will be 7. So we assume that R can be equal to 7 and G can be equal to 1. And let's put here the R is equals to 7 and G is equals to 1. There. So since we have the R and G, let's substitute all the R with the 7. So we have 7 here, another 7 here. And next, since we have a 7 here, let's assume that if we add up these two, since we have the same letter L, if we add up that and add to 1, that will come up to 7, or can be 17. So let's assume that L is equals to 8. Because if we add up 8, that is 16, and add up to 1, that will become 17. So L can be 8. Next, since we also have here both A, we assume that it is the same, and we will come up an answer. So we assume that A is equals to 5. If 5 plus 5, there's a carry 1 here. If 5 plus 5 is equals to 10 plus 1, that is 11, we will be having a 1 here, but we have a 1 here, so it can be 1. So it can be 5. So let's try 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 8. Plus 1, 9. We don't have 9 yet, so that the A can be 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 8, plus 1, that can be 9. So 9 is E. We can substitute here because E, there's also E here, that this is 9. That. Next, the N. So let's first substitute all and put it here so we can know that what numbers are left. And E is equals to 9, A is equals to 4, and we don't have N yet, we don't have B, and we don't have O. So the remaining numbers are 2, 3, and 6. So if we put a 6 here, if we put a 3 here, that is 7 plus 3, that is 10. So we can't do that because there's a 0 here. If we put up a 2, that is 7 plus 2, that is 9, we cannot also put 2 here. So let's try 6. If 7 plus 6 is equals to 13, we'll come up with 3. So we don't have 3 yet, and we don't have 6 yet. So N can be equal to 6. And there is a B here. The B can be equal to 3. 3 here. And I carry 1 here because it's 13. 6 plus 7, that is 13. So the remaining letter is 2. So we can assume that O is equals to 2. So 9, we put 2 here. 9 plus 2, that is 11. Plus 1, that is 12. So we can say that this is also 2 because O is the same here. There's the same O. So we can assume that this is 2. And 9 plus 2 plus 1, that is 12. Carry 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 7. And we can check our answers. So 5 plus 5, that is 10. So 0, carry 1. And 8 plus 8, that is 16. Plus 1, that is 17. That's correct. And 4 plus 4, plus the carry 1, that is 9. And 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 2, that is 11, plus 1, that is 2. Carry 1. And 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So these are the values of our letters here in our problem. That's all. Thank you.